Hello YouTube, today we are in my 2008 Audi A3. We're gonna change the cabin filter or pollen filter, whatever you wanna call it. We're also gonna clean the AC system with this AC cleaner, and afterwards we're gonna add this AC refreshener to make the car smell good. I mean, I haven't got any issues with bad smelling, but why not? I think I paid $10.90 for that. So we're gonna give it a go as well on that thing. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna start removing the old pollen filter, which is on front passenger side underneath the glove box. Right guys, we are under the passenger side, under the glove box. So under here it's a bit dark. There's a screw on the left and then and one more on the right, which you can do by hand. So if you just unscrew those, see if I can show you, but it's a bit difficult. Sort of get the picture what I mean. They just literally need to be done by hand, so they look like that. So I'll put this one aside, get the next one on the right hand side. So that's done, and then just remove this bit of the lining out of your way. Right guys, the next thing, you can see the filter cover under here. You just slide it to the side and then the cover comes straight off, and you got the filter there. It might be some rubbish come out of it, so you just bring the filter out. Here's my filter, full of crap. This time I'm gonna change with a man filter. Right then. So next thing now I'm gonna do, before I put the new filter on, I'm going to run the air conditioning for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put this AC cleaner, guys. So here's the first one, the first can. Give it a good shake. Okay then, so there's the other bits. Right, I'm gonna show you one, and then I'm gonna repeat the process on all the air vents and also where the pollen filter goes. I'm not gonna bore you with this bit, so I'll show you one of them, and then it's the same for all of the others. So once you reach the once it reaches the outside of the vent, you're good to go. Do the same with the other ones, and then we go to the next step. Right then, I apply the foam in every place which needs to go. So now I just need to wait for 15 minutes for the product to do its thing. The other thing I was gonna say, maybe wear some gloves, because I don't know if this stuff is nasty or not, and wipe any excess off your vents as well. So yeah, I've got to wait 15 minutes now, and then we go to the next step. So next step, actually, while I wait for the AC cleaner to do its thing, I think I'll just put the new pollen filter back on. this man filter even comes with instructions as well, showing you what to do, so you can't really go wrong. It's pretty straightforward as well. It shows you the direction which goes in, the airflow. So yeah, I'll put this back on, put the screws back on as well. No point showing you that because I'm sure you can figure that out. And then wait a few more minutes and we start the car and run the air conditioning for 10 minutes, and then we do the next one, which is this AC refreshener, guys. This is a brand called K2 Perfect. Never tried it, so it's the first time I'm doing this thing anyway. So let's see what this does, and hopefully it smells better. Okay guys, the new filter is in place, so I'm just gonna put this little trim cover back on and then the little screws. So if for some reason you find difficult to remember what position the filter goes in, you can always take pictures of the old one as it is, or because sometimes the filter don't come with instructions as well. So you can also take pictures if you forget. So that'll make your life easier when you put your new one back on. Alright then. Just to recap where we are. So I changed the filter. I also done the AC cleaner stuff. I waited 15 minutes like it says on the instructions. So now I'm gonna turn the engine on and let it run for 10 minutes on a max. And then after that I'll come back and do the other bit. So next step, we're gonna do the AC refreshener stuff. So we're gonna close all windows, start the engine, and then we're gonna turn the AC system to the lowest temperature, and we're gonna set the airflow to the max speed. And then we're gonna shake the can, put it behind the driver's seat. Some cans apparently is on the front, this one says in the back seat, so I'm gonna put it in the back seat as it says. So and then we're gonna activate the spray head to avoid spraying in the eyes, and then we're gonna get out of the car and wait to be completed within 15 minutes, and then we're gonna return to the car, remove the empty can and ventilate the car before driving again. So we once it's finished, we slip the doors open for about 5 or 10 minutes, and that should be it, guys. We're gonna go ahead with this one now. So let's start the car. Got this service light on, just came on about 2 or 3 days ago, so I'm gonna be doing a service, an oil service, and yeah, that should be the next video, hopefully, if I got time to film. So right, let's crack on with this. Turn the air conditioning on, fan on. The car already smells better just with the AC cleaner. Not that the car smells bad or anything, but it smells fresh. So I'm gonna go to the back seat now. First time I ever used this, so I'm not even sure how it works, but I'm guessing you just press it like that. There you go. So it's on. Can't really see it because I've got tinted windows, so I'm gonna let it sit there for 15 minutes and then we turn the camera back on. So the 15 minutes have gone. I'm gonna open the doors to let the car get some air in. It smells really nice in here, really fresh. So yeah, the can is empty. So that's it really. Just gonna wait a few minutes with the doors open, and then that's another video done. So yeah, we changed the filter. I'm gonna show you the code. I don't know if already is in the video, but that's the code if you're interested. For the 2008 Audi A3, this is the 1.9 diesel. And yeah, so that's the filter done, and the air conditioner cleaned, and also the air refreshener stuff. Okay guys, if anyone needs to know where I get it from, I got it from eBay. I think I paid like $10.90 or something. And also this car is a UK model, so if you're gonna do the filter, make sure you buy for the right country. So if your car is left and drive, you need to buy the right filter to go on the right hand side of your car. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll be doing a service like I said in the car, if anyone wants to watch that video as well. I'll be changing the engine oil and the oil filter, and also I'll be checking the air filter to make sure it's alright. I've got a K&N, so I'm gonna check if it needs cleaning or not, but I've done last year. I haven't done many miles this year. I think I've done like 6,000 miles, so I think it'll be fine, but I'm gonna check anyway. And that's it really. I think I've done the radiator the other day. Shame I didn't have time to film it because I had a leak. So I've got that done. I've got new coolant in, so I don't need to worry about that. I'm also gonna check the condition of my brake fluid and the clutch. See if it needs doing. I think I've done that about 2 or 3 years ago. So I'll be checking that with a little pen which I have, which goes in the oil, to check the conditioning, the condition of the oil. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.